Hi guys, I'm Bernali and we are back with The Kitchen Script Season 2. I wanted to say thank you for all your beautiful suggestions and ideas, and some of them I have been able to incorporate, and some of them I'm still working on, and you will see all of them pretty soon on The Kitchen Script. So, the first episode of Season 2 will be uploaded tomorrow, 19th March, at 6 pm. And I'm really looking forward to the next chapter of this journey with all of you guys, and super excited actually. Thank you so much, and stay tuned.